pwesto mo sa kuanon oh.
And so, wait, hold on. I gotta post this on TikTok. It's me again, Daryl, and welcome back to my channel. We're here at Caledon, and look what I found. It looks pretty cool. It looks so nice. There's a lot of sunflowers, and they're doing pictorial right now. And anyways, my eyes are so puffy. I literally didn't sleep till 5 a.m. and I hope you guys are having a good time, and happy Saturday tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye. Bye TikTok fam. Peace out. Hey bud.
My friend, kami be. Videohan na kami. Nice.
Kan sa sunflower. Kana. Ha, nakalohat. It's nice. Perfect. Ako kamay. Yan ang sunflower.
Hey bees. Hoy, naabot ako. Oy. Nice bija. Balik. Tingaling napatay makuha nito, nindutan dito. Really nice. Look at the bee. Whoa.